Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley. This is a TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to do an animated test that shows at the ending of a video, like an outro that displays an information that says about the video production and all of the things. Let me show you guys exactly what I mean. I already have it created here, so I'm going to start from the beginning and play the video. So it displays like this and then it ends up disappearing at the end. So I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that kind of video on your kinemaster. Now let's start. If you don't have kinemaster, go ahead and download it, but if you have it downloaded already, let's dive in. Alright, so if you have your kinemaster open, go ahead and click on create new. Now click on the first 16:9 ratio. Click on the image asset and go ahead and choose any color. I'm going to choose the fourth color, which is black. Close this out. Now go to the beginning, click on the layer area, click on the test icon, and now I'm going to go ahead and type in all of the information that I want to add to the video. So I'm going to say and guys, you can add your emoji. If your app have emoji too, go ahead and add the emoji. So now this is the test I've added so far. If you want to increase the size, go ahead and make it bigger and it will display even bigger if you want to, but if not, go ahead and do whatever you want. Change the font if you want to change the font. I'm going to click on Dion Droid Nano, so I think I'm okay with this. Now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and draw a rectangle on top and cover the top area. Make sure you have the color as green color. I'm going to change the background later on. Have your color as green color and then go ahead and drag it out to the end, and you have to draw it over to the top also, but first draw it. When you finish drawing it and then it will display like this, go ahead and make it even bigger. Bring it downward. Make sure you have it in the beginning and it's going to like display to this area. I think I'm okay with this. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and change the background. You need to change the background to green color also, but you can change it now if you think you're perfect enough, but if not, I think it's always best to leave it at this. Once you finish doing the animation, you can go ahead and change it, but I think I would want this to be to this area, 7 seconds. Make this 7 seconds also, and make this 7 seconds too. So if you're okay with that, what we need to be animating is the test. So click on the test and you notice this key area that is for your animation. Click on that key area. So you need to create a point. I want to create, guys, before I do this, I have to zoom in. I just hold the two area and then zoom in. So I want it to be at like 900 milliseconds. So 99. If I'm able to get 99, that's fine. I'm not going to get exactly 99 something, so 998 is fair. I'm going to add a I just clicked on this area to create a nude, or you can just say to create a keyframe right there, and then move it upward. I'm going to move it like this area, and then I'm going to move it to 1 minute 90 something. 1 minute 90 something. Yeah, this is perfect. And then create a keyframe and then move it to the director area. Whoa. The thing just went away. Move it to director area, then you leave it, and the same thing you are going to do for each and every one of them as you keep sliding and moving it up, sliding and moving it up. That is exactly what you're going to do for each and every one of the videos. Alright, so once you're done with everything, go ahead and click on this check icon right on the top right area. Once you confirm that, go ahead and play your video. Now you notice the way it's moving, right? That is exactly what we want to achieve. So another thing I want to do before I end the video is I'm going to change this background to green background. I just clicked on the background, click on this color, confirm the color. It's already a green background right now, so I'm going to have this end where the video ends, which is here. I think that's satisfying enough. Now play it again. So if you want to change this to any color or black color, all you need to do is you have to export this particular one. Click on this export area, click on the save video and wait for it to save. It's going to take a while to load depending on your speed. Go ahead and click on skip to skip this particular stuff. Now it starts saving. Wait for it to save complete. Immediately the save is complete. Now we can now go ahead and change the color. Alright, now this have saved, so you can always import it to anywhere and then remove the chroma. Click on new, create new, click on this first area, next, and then click on the asset, click on this black background, close it off, click on the layer, import the video we just exported. The folder is going to be on kinemaster area. Click on the kinemaster video, click on this and then make it fit into the screen, confirm, and now click on this background, make it play to the end of that video. I think it's here. So the next thing you need to do, click on the video you imported, click scroll down to this area until you see Chroma Key. Click on the Chroma Key, enable that, and now go ahead and scroll it a bit to 25. I'm going to move this to 25% and let it go, and then increase the strength of this white color too much. Move it a bit to 28 and I think it's perfect. So go ahead and save your video if you want to, but play your video and this is perfect. So if there are any issue, please leave it on the comment section, but I don't think there should be any issue on this video because I already tested it several times and it worked perfectly well. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more video, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Stay safe guys, and peace.